You see the mask? It matches the one found on our victim, and the robber is approximately the same size and build as our victim. Oh, I'm just skipping ahead. Now, fortunately, the Bentonville Police Department all use dashboard cameras.
I think we've had this much excitement since my last big dress conference. Well, now we know how Dustin got his whiplash. It's very close to the road.
Yeah, well, look at this. I was able to follow the chase through a series of security cameras along the street.
Another maybe watching it, and certainly knows how to make good TV. Oh, gee, damn.
It may have been unexpected, but this crash was not an accident.
He timed it perfectly right at the stop sign. So that second car means that your first driving man.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. So this is what it came in. It has a vacuum, has the nozzle. Here's the cord. Here is the floor vacuum. Looks really nice. And then it has the extension, and then it has the bag of parts that you can use to suck out the okay, guys, so we have it assembled. Let's see. The on switch is here. Got good suction. Yeah. So it sucks very well. It's about leg length, not too. But as you can hear, it's got good suction. So I think it's a good buy for the price. I think it's a great buy. We don't have much carpet.
So yes, guys, here, Tamika. This is my new vacuum that I got. So sorry, it's already out the box and everything. It's very, 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 very durable and sufficient. I love it. Easy. It didn't cost me anything. I love it for my clients as well, because I do have a business, Lovely Geriatric Care Services. Yes, so yeah, I use it at home. I use it at my client's house. I use it, you know, for the AC units, because it has detachable appliances that goes with it. I love it. It's great.
I love this vacuum. I just got it from Amazon. It's a tiny vacuum, but it's so powerful. I just got all of these under my bed because I have a little dog, and this is a nightmare for me. It doesn't matter how many clean the floor, every day is the same. So that's why I got this vacuum. And look the power of this vacuum. It's really powerful. I love it.
It's a good vacuum. It's small. It has a small canister, but it comes with an extra filter. It comes with a bunch of attachments. It's very lightweight. And it's powerful for what it is. All in all, value for the money, I give it an A+. Also, it's good on hardwood floors and rugs. It came neatly packaged and quickly, a lot more quickly than I thought it was going to come. A couple days at least. So, I love it.
This vacuum cleaner, the Intercleaner corded stick vacuum cleaner, did not live up to the expectations. Some of the attachments do work, but this one, the one I really wanted, won't stay in. No matter which way it goes in, it falls out. Also, this wand is a little bit weak and flexy. I don't have a lot of confidence in this machine. Thanks.
Attachment. Directions say goes in like that. It's in.
As you can see, the hole does not line up. So the handle just pulls right off. Just like that. And there it goes. There's the handle.
03042. All right.
Infinity owners. Think about it. Who wouldn't want to own the sleekest car on the streets for the same price as a Honda Civic? This can't be.